SGN be heading all the way upwards of the $4 levels next week again, or is this a ticker we should cut your losses from and walk away from? What's up, trend friends? Welcome back to another No BS Non-Biased Price Prediction video. Today, I'm discussing SGN and where the rest of this ticker heading from here now. With that said, let's get into it. Today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to analyze why did this ticker run from $1.20 all the way upwards of $4. Then we're going to be analyzing the stock, going over this dilution history, going over the company's short interest, going over the stock's institutional ownership, float, all those good things that really matter. And then we're going to be talking about the chart, where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's start off by analyzing the news. What is the news, right? What caused this ticker to run over freaking 300%? Well, today they announced that they're going ahead and they're advancing with their previous news. Signing Day Sports advances business combination with blockchain digital. I mean, what's next? Signing Day Sports announces CEO tied his shoelaces. Signing Day Sports announces they have updated their website's landing page. It's the recycled ass news. Recycled ass news. Okay? So for me, this pump is exactly what it was. It was a pump. Okay? So we're going to go over here and start ranking things out. So breaking news, we're going to put it as bad. We're going to put it as okay. You know what? We're going to put it as bad because with this price volatility and that news, it's bad. Okay? It's freaking bad. All right? Like, this price volatility is way out of league of that sort of news. All right? Now, next thing is this. Let's talk about the company's volatility. So the volatility is sitting, sub 10 million market cap. I mean, it's freaking talk about volatility, right? Amazing. Amazing volatility from the company. Next thing which we're going to look at is going to be the company's cash holding. So the numbers I'm about to show you are based off of their most recent SEC filings. Okay? The company has negative $1.5 million in the bank. They have an operating expense of $1.78 million every 3 months. They have negative cash. They have negative cash. If something's free, SGN can't afford it. This is what you went and bought. This is what you went and bought. And now you're wondering, oh, what happened? But what happened? But how do I make my money back? What happened? I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. So, let's continue. No cash. Terrible. Let's go over here and let's look at the company's short interest. Let's go to Ortex. Pull up Ortex. No. There we go. We'll go over here and we'll say SGN. Let's see how the short interest is increased. Short interest is up 265% the past day. Wonderful. Phenomenal. Yes, it's down 90%, but it's up 265% the past day. So, still a lot, okay? Still a lot. So, we're going to go over here and put short interest as bad as well. Again, remember, when short interest increases, that's a bad thing because that means that shorts are adding to the position. Institutional ownership, sitting at 3.6%. That's also bad. Anything sub 10% is bad. Likelihood of diluting us. So they do have high motivations considering their negative cash. They do have historical data indicating that they have done this before, right? This is a highly dilutive company. And their overhead supply right now is medium, meaning they could dilute. So to me, the price action which we saw today, this was them going ahead and diluting. This was dilution right over here, right? This price formation here is not natural. It's not. And I know your favorite mentor wants to say, the shorts, the shorts. I am a surgeon, the shorts. That's literally your favorite mentor, right? Just blames everything on the shorts. God forbid your trade goes south. The shorts attacked. Are the shorts in the room with us right now? Like, what are you talking about? Now, you guys may be like, but Sam, didn't you just say there's an increase in shorts? Yes, an increase in shorts, but you need to understand that shorts can't just go ahead and, we're talking about regular shorts, okay? We're not talking about hedge funds using dark pool volume and naked shorting and synthetic shares. We're just talking about typical shorts, okay? The same way shorts caused the stock to come down. People pressing buy caused the stock to go up. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So there's no shorting attack. No. This over here, allegedly, and this is all allegedly. I think a lot of, and look, guess what? An AK will come out, and we'll get to see whether or not SGN was selling shares or not. But for me, they were selling shares. I think they were, allegedly, they were selling shares here. Okay? Where do I see the sticker going? It can pop up and test 260 on Monday morning. It can. It's not getting up. For me, it's not getting above 3. It's not getting above 3 anytime soon. All right? Maybe in freaking 4 months or something when it sells off back down to $1 and then pops up again. Maybe then it's possible. But for me, it's not happening. Okay? Not getting above 3 anytime soon. For me, you should cut your losses and walk away from it, right? And listen, let me tell you something, right? There's a lot of learning experiences when it comes to trading, right? And maybe just right now you learned what dilution is and everything like that, right? But I'm here to tell you that this is some of the most important thing. This is one of the most important things that you need to talk about and understand, learn when it comes to analyze, talk about. Analyze when it comes to trading penny stocks, right? And I always tell you guys, I say, listen, if you're planning on succeeding with penny stocks, you need to understand what are the things that I need to pay attention to trading penny stocks. Penny stocks. There's a reason why I'm saying that. Because what you're analyzing for crypto, for Forex, for options is not going to be applicable to penny stocks. It's not. And this comes from someone who's been bribed previously by investor relations to come out here and promote random ass stocks. Now, this was over a year ago. I don't do that stuff anymore because even to me, I was like, bro, these guys are getting me to talk about this stock and then they're rock blender. I'm not doing that shit. I'm not gonna do that to my own freaking people. Doesn't matter how much you. But you know who still does it? Other people do. Sponsor stock section. Sponsor stock section. Today's sponsor stock. And you know, there's other people. There are other people who do it and don't even talk about it. They don't even mention such thing. They act like it doesn't even exist. They don't even tell you that there's a promotion going on. Crazy stuff. So this is what I always tell people. I say, if you're trading penny stocks, if you're planning on succeeding with penny stocks, you need a penny stock mentor. You need people who are trading other penny stocks. Because what you look for in a penny stock is different than what you look for in any other trade. All right? Now listen, if you're tired of losing and you want to try something new, check out our community. Okay? Our community gives you access to day trade alerts. I'll tell you exactly what I'm buying, exactly what I'm selling. I give you lessons, one-on-one access, you name it, we got it. Okay? And right now we have a massive sale. Next 10 people that join, 50% sale. Give it a shot. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Wilson says, thank you for hard work. Brought in 7K in 7 days. Maybe pause it and read some of these. All right, let's jump to present day. Thanks to Sam and everybody involved in making this Discord. I'm glad I found out a bit of this week. 7.4% this past week. 19% the past week. March 22 for now. Pleased to say my first 100K reach with 23 years. They should teach us in school. Thank God we have time. What a goal. What a legend, man. Thank you, Alex. I appreciate you, brother. All the red days was me being greedy. Other than that, thank you for everyone making it green. Bang. BTCM alerts yesterday. We tell you when to get in, when to get out. Every single thing's given to you on a silver platter. Check it out. The link is in the comment section and the description. That's all I suggest you guys do. Try out the 7-day free trial. Try out the 7-day free trial. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. It's not rocket science, guys. It's common sense. That's all. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.